Let me walk you through how to add a drawing board directly into your workspace using embed blocks. It only takes a few quick steps to get started. First, navigate to wherever you'd like your drawing board to appear on the page. Type /embed to bring up the embed block option. Once the embed block appears, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a field where you can paste your link. Here's where you'll paste the URL from your preferred online drawing tool, whether that's Excalidraw, Miro, or any other web-based tool. After pasting the link, just click Embed Link to confirm. The page will now display your drawing tool right inside the embed block. You've essentially created a window into your external drawing board without ever leaving your workspace. The best part is that the board is fully interactive. You can sketch, diagram, or collaborate directly within this embedded view whenever you need to. That's all there is to it. You now know how to embed any drawing tool and keep your creative work organized right alongside your notes.